What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we'll be checking out SignalPeak.io. So SignalPeak.io is a signals provider that provides you with access to over 100 different trading signal groups, both crypto and forex. If you click the affiliate link down below, you can get access to them completely for free. It's a one-day free trial, so make sure to go and check them out today. But just a quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so now that we are on the official website of SignalPeak.io, I will show you how to sign up with my affiliate link down below to get that one-day free trial so you can go and check them out for yourselves. So if you scroll down here, you can see that they are featured in big places like Business Insider, for example. These are the top 6 trading crypto signal groups at the moment, and today we will be diving deeper into the group Fed Russian. So you don't get access to only these 6 groups. If you click on show all channels, you can see all of the channels you get access to once you join SignalPeak. And it is definitely more than 100. So the 3 plans that are available at the moment is the one-day free trial, which we'll be focusing on today. You also have a 1-month subscription for 99 USD or lifetime access for $350. So if you had to add up and pay individually for all of these groups, it would definitely be more than 99 a month and for sure more than 350 for lifetime access. But as I said, we'll be focusing on the one-day free trial today, so you can go and check them out for yourself to see whether you like them or not. So all you have to do is just come down here to choose your plan and click the button that says start free trial. Okay, so once you have done that, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. As you can see, Telegram, SignalPeak bot, and the one-day free trial. So if you don't already have Telegram, please download it because that is where all of the signal groups will share their signals on. Our sponsor for today helps you grow your privacy online. If you're trying to automate your online business, you are going to need a proxy, and proxy for you is the best. They have the most reasonable prices in the market today, and you get a fast and reliable proxy with unlimited bandwidth, which is perfect whether you're scraping, using bots, or browsing the internet. Go check out proxy for you today. Thank you for sponsoring us, and let's get on with the video. So all we have to do now when it shows the screen is click the button that says start bot. Okay guys, so once you have clicked that, it will take you to the Telegram and the SignalPeak bot. So as you can see right here, you have the option to click to pay, so you can just pay by opening that link, or you can say check payment. Okay, so how you will join the groups is as follow. You have 2 crypto channels and a forex channel. So if we click on this crypto channel 1, you have the option to join all of the groups simultaneously. So as you can see, 100 groups in this folder. Or you have the option to go and deselect all of them, choose the specific ones you want to receive signals from so you don't get spammed. So if crypto is not your thing, you also can join the forex groups that SignalPeak provides. So as you can see, 66 forex groups as well. But as I mentioned earlier, we will be focusing on Fed Russian today, which is a crypto group. Once you've joined all of these, it will show on the left-hand side of your screen. As you can see right here, we have a crypto folder and a forex folder. But as I mentioned, we'll be focusing on crypto, Fed Russian, and I'll show you on Tradingview how some of the trades played out so you can see the result for yourself. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are now in the group Fed Russian. As you can see, look at the results they just posted. Some of the results, as you can see, up by 133%, which is just absolutely mental, plus 48%, plus 29%. And this is how they present the signals to you. So easy and simple, all in bullet format. The pair we will be trading, whether it's long or short, your entry price, the leverage we'll be aiming for, so 20x, and all of the targets as well as your stop loss. So it will be pretty simple to put this onto the charts. Okay, so what we are going to be doing is we're going to be scrolling back to the 13th of October, which is a few days back now, and we will go and check out this trade on Tradingview. Okay, so all you have to do is come here to Tradingview, go to the search button, and it was kernel to USDT. So once we type that in, we can just go to launch chart, scroll out a little bit more, go to the 13th Okay, so once you've done that, you will launch the chart and we will go to the 13th of October, which is right over here. And what I'll be doing is I'll just be drawing a baseline here. So I'll go to the second icon, use a trend line, go to the bottom of the candlestick underneath, well, the start of the 13th of October, and just drag one for the whole entire day of the 13th of October. So now we have our baseline right here. And then what I'll do is you have to go to the left hand side of your screen to the fifth icon, click on it, and use the one that says long position as they indicated in the signal. Okay, so the entry price for this trade was 0.17 or 0.165. So we will enter right here about 0.165. So as you can see, boom. And then we will set the target to the last one, which was 0.18. So scroll this up, 0.18, which is right there. And then we'll drag it alongside. Because it was a long position, we can drag it to the side. And we will also put in our stop loss, which was at 0.1603. So right there. So as you can see, this is exactly how the trade played out. I'll show it to you on screen again. So you can see the pair we're trading along the entry price, the leverage, which was 20x, and all of the targets. As you can see, as soon as we entered this trade, it skyrocketed. Okay, so one of two things could have happened. You could have either sold there because we've hit some of the targets, or you could have decided to stay in the trade longer and waited for it to play out over here. So as you can see, it went past, even went past the last target, went even higher and even higher. So that position, whether you want to sell here or keep, is only up to you, as well as the stop loss. Sometimes I like to drag the stop loss a little bit tighter because I don't want to risk too much of my own equity. This trade explained to you, as you can see, they don't lie. The trade played exactly out as they said in the signal. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about SignalPeak, comment them down below. Let us know so we can get back to you. And if you're new, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time.